Hello friends, how are you? So we are going to explain in this tutorial about how to make the quantity schedule. Okay, here in Revit. Now suppose I have these walls. Okay, so this is the plan which I have. When you import any plan, you can do one thing: go here and pin this. So this plan we can't move from here. Okay, now go again to the level. Okay, and now suppose I need the wall. So first in the beginning I am just creating the wall. Okay, whatever the size there, suppose 200, I'm taking 200 is taking from the center. So you can go here. Okay, take exterior one. Okay, now space, this is the 200. 200 is less, this wall thickness is 250. Okay, so go to here, or you can do one thing also, is here 250. There is no more 250. Okay, no problem, make it duplicate, do here 250, go here, make it 250. Okay, so now when you will do it 250 and you take the wall, still this is I think little more, little more 300 maybe. So I will take the 300 one. Now is okay. Okay, see exactly is on the. Okay, now this the wall which we are taking. I'm taking up to here, suppose. uh, okay, up to here. There is also the column, and when I pressing space, this wall is just going to convert in the other direction. Now here I am taking this wall. So this is the external wall which I taken in my drawing. Okay, the height of this wall I am giving here, suppose 3500. And the two things is, you can select an SA, and you can change all walls height in once. Okay, now you go to the 3D. So this wall you have. Now the thing is, whatever we are creating here, okay, the quantity is coming or not, that is the big issue. That one you have to understand in Revit. So this is the quantity schedule. Okay, so when I will click here, there is a schedule typical and working sheet schedule. Okay, working in working schedule, there is a column schedule, foundation, framing already is there. Okay, in this door, electrical analytic, electrical room finish, sheet index, space, outdoor, window. Okay, now I need the wall quantity. Go here, new schedule, go to the architecture, we no need structure now. Okay, now select here wall. This is the wall. Okay, now okay, in wall what we need the area of wall. Okay, so whatever quantity we need, suppose block work, so area we need actually, so that area we can calculate here. Okay, and take here mark, if there is any mark in this, so mark should be first and area should be second. If anything you want, you can take from here, like suppose width, bottom width. Okay, cost count. So I'm taking these two things. Okay, volume, width, whatever I'm doing it. So here I got the quantity of these four walls. Okay, now when you will go here, you will check this one, there is a mark. So the wall is what wall, this one. Okay, so you can type here external, or if you want you can type any ID also. Okay, copy this one. So directly you can paste also. Okay, so it automatically will be in the mask. See. Okay, so now the way you are calculating wall only. Okay, when you will go here, there is a thing you can change in the field. If you need anything more, you can go here and check here. Now I'm untick this one, because these all walls are same. So go here, and these all walls are vary, so it taken by itself. Okay, now this is the quantity is varying, so I'm doing one thing. I'm going here again in schedule, I'm doing it tick. Okay, so now total calculation also we can do here. Got it? Now suppose you are doing here windows, doors, so all calculation you can do here. You're doing floor. Okay, so this is the wall, whatever wall you are using inside. Okay, that also you can get, and you can put here, suppose in the marks we put external walls. Okay, so after that external wall you can make here also, like select this wall. Okay, this 300 mm. Okay, so now this wall becomes 300 mm and the mark will be visible here with the 300 mm. Okay, you can copy this all one and to your all complete one. This is showing element are duplicate like that, so no problem, don't fear about it. Okay, you have to change there also. So this is the wall only. Okay, now if you will go here, okay, and if you provide here flooring, okay, suppose I am doing this flooring, so what is the total floor area? If you want, you can calculate here. Okay, in the wall section also you can do. Suppose you have this drawing schedule, wall schedule. Okay, this is only the wall schedule. Okay, it's typing here already. If you need floor, you go take floor also, this one, same area and same mark, and okay, now this is the area. In mark, suppose three type of flooring you using there, so you can mark also three type of, so automatically it will come here. Okay, now go here in architecture drawing or maybe in 3D drawing, do here in realistic, select this flooring. Okay, and mark it whatever 100 mm tile flooring. Okay, so your flooring would be in the this schedule. Okay, like this, if you have suppose five kind of flooring, so all flooring will be appear here like that, I'm telling you. So up to here one flooring. Okay, in this I'm doing the two flooring more. Go to the floor, this is one up to here and this is one up to here. Okay, sorry, I'm taking this one only. So this is the flooring and I'm making this duplicate. Suppose this is 100 mm external floor area. Okay, and the thickness also you need to change here. Okay, this 300 you make is 100. Okay, now you go here, you check the second one. Okay, but I made here is, this is the name of flooring. Okay, here when I go here, I'm going here. Okay, there is a name, family and type. If you will make it, okay, or make it family also, then you will go here, so it will appear here. Okay, so I will do the family type, no need to make the floors or like that. So I can do one thing, this family you can move and take this up. Okay, you understand? So if you have any mark for the flooring like material ID, so you can give it. Suppose this one, go to the mark, and this flooring I have, suppose this flooring I have uh, floor 1, this is the mark I'm doing. Okay, or any ID you can give, 1 2 3 5, so whatever material in BOQ that one will be. visible. Now check here. So this one is here appearing. So how many floors you are taking, all quantity will be here. Okay, so like this you can make the quantity during your project. So when you are doing the project, you can make the complete quantity sheet. Okay, so I hope you understand this video, and you can make all quantity of wall doors. Okay, wall doors also you can get from here, architecture. Okay, and go here, ceiling, doors, windows. Okay, whatever you need, you can do the same thing, and you can make your a schedule for the door and windows, and the quantity of walls, tiles, one wall cladding, concrete, and everything. Okay, I hope you understand. Keep watching, keep learning.